Hero is a common seated yoga position that can be found in most practices as a place to ground down, meditate, or relax body and mind. Since my body doesn't care for the traditional version of Hero, I will bring in my producer Claire to show you proper alignment. Hi, Claire. This pose will calm your mind while stretching your thighs, knees, and ankles, and improve your posture by supporting the neutral curves in your spine. To get into Hero pose, from a tabletop position on your hands and knees, sit your hips back and spread your ankles open slightly to sit on the ground between your heels, with your toes pointing back or slightly curled in towards each other. Place your hands on your thighs and deepen your breath as you sit tall and relaxed. Our bodies are built differently, so this pose may come easy for some but feel challenging for others. To protect your knees, be mindful that your toes don't splay open like a W sit, and never rush in or out of the pose or push through any amount of pain or strain. There are several modifications that could work better for your body instead. If there is a lot of space between your hips and the ground, then fill the space with a block that you can sit on to bring the ground up to you. If you're experiencing too much knee compression, then try placing a folded blanket or pillow between your hips and the block on the ground for even more support. And if your feet are cramping from the compression, try placing a rolled up towel or blanket underneath your ankles. You can combine any of these modifications to suit your body best each day. Another variation of this pose is to have your feet closer together so you can sit on your heels. This is a good variation to use when you know you're going to be in Hero for just a short amount of time. Just be mindful that your heels are spread open slightly so you can work your hips closer to the ground over time. And actually, this is my preferred form in Hero pose, and I've been practicing it this way for at least 15 years, so just take what works best for you and your body each and every day. No matter how you do it, Hero pose is a calming, meditative yoga pose for grounding your body, compressing the joints in your legs, and calming your mind. Find the variation that fits you best and take the time to just close your eyes, deepen your breath, and turn your awareness inwards.